Hi, today in front of me UleFone Armor 17 Pro, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first we should open the settings and then scroll down to the system section. You'll see here developer options section if developer mode is activated, and just to hide the developer options we should click on the swatcher to turn them off. Now we should restart our device. Now click to restart and wait just a couple of seconds, just a minute while the device restarting. So now just let's open the settings, the system section, and we can see that the developer options section is gone successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.